Directional terminology. The parts of the animal are broken down into areas. These areas are called directional terminology. Directional terminology helps us to explain exactly what area of the animal we are talking about. This is useful when we are writing vet reports, talking to vets and other professionals about the animals that we are treating. We're using this grey as our example. If we start from the stout of the nose towards the tail, this area is called the caudal aspect. From the tail towards the head is called the cranial aspect. This changes if we look at the head and the face of the animal. If we are talking towards the nose, this area is called rostral, and away from the nose continues as caudal. The dorsal aspect is the top line running along the spine. We have the ventral aspect, and this is towards the floor when the animal is standing. It's the belly line. The transverse plane divides the body into two halves. The cranial section towards the head and the caudal towards the tail. If we look at the limbs, we have two sections, proximal and distal. Proximal, which means the area of the limb that is closer to the body and towards the body. Distal is the area and aspect of the limb that is away from the body, the lower limb. If we look at the feet, the hooves or the paws, for the hind legs only, we use plantar. And plantar refers to the aspect of the foot that touches the ground. For the forelegs only, we use palmar, and this refers to the aspect of the foot that touches the ground. So remember, plantar is for the hind legs and palmar is for the forelegs. The tops of the feet, the area at the top of the foot is described as dorsal. We've already talked about the transverse plane that divides the body into the two halves, cranial and caudal. If we look at the next picture, we will see the other body planes. We have the median plane. The median plane divides the body into two halves, left and right. We have the dorsal plane, which divides the body into two halves, dorsal and ventral. When we talk about something from lateral view, it is furthest from the median plane. So belly button outwards. If we're talking on the medial, it would be nearest to the median plane. So nearest to the belly button. Animals own their own left and right. So when we describe the animal and the area that we are talking about, for example, this grey's left ear, you can see the area is being circled. He owns his own left.